What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another lock tutorial for you guys. And in today's video, you guys are in for a special treat because I have two products that I am excited to be sharing with you all. One being some super dope accessories and the other being my own little creation. But you guys know I'm not big for long intros, so let's jump right into it. So we're going to start off with these super dope accessories that was sent to me by Porscha Abraham on Instagram. These are her goddess beads by Porscha. You guys need to check these bad boys out because what in the Empress is going on here? What in the Spike Lee? What in the heavens? Listen, it's beautiful. As I mentioned before, these are the goddess beads. Now each set retails for $36. They come with 100 adjustable pieces, and for the best results, your braids or locks need to be at least small to medium size, not too thick, and they come in gold and silver. And she also sent me these things as well. Now, I don't know if they're supposed to go on my hair or on my fingers, but they look like bugle chips. You know them little chips that you used to put on your nails that look like, yeah. So that's what I'm doing with that. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing that, but that's what I did. But anywho, that's what I got from her. But it's time to move on to the next reveal. Now, I'm super excited about this one because this is the one that I made. So first, we're going to start off by spraying my hair with a little bit of water. Now, I'm not going to go too crazy, but I am going to get it a little damp. So don't be too shy, but don't go too crazy. But I'm going to continue spraying my locks and scalp with that water. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up my product. Now, I don't have a name for this yet, but so far we are calling it Loc Butter. Now, this is all you are going to need for moisturizing your dry scalp and locks. And I'm going to demonstrate how I apply this butter onto my hair and onto my scalp. So I'm just going to take some into my hand and just begin warming up that product and watch it melt into my hands. Now, this is a very lightweight product. It contains oils that are great for moisturizing and penetrating the hair and scalp. Especially if you have low porosity hair like I do, you really need products that are able to hold in that moisture. Especially if you are someone who loves color or bleaching your hair, you definitely want to make sure you are adding that moisture back into your hair. You want to make sure. But yeah, once I am done adding my product, I am going to take my soft bristle brush and I'm just going to brush that through. You know, you want to make sure that you really work this product in, and don't be afraid to add a little bit more water if you need to. A little water ain't gonna hurt nobody, but you just want to really massage this product through, because once it's in your hair and into your scalp is going to feel so much better. I'm not even over exaggerating for someone who suffers from dry, itchy, irritated scalp to the point that it sometimes burns. The ingredients that I used in my oil butter really does help soothe my scalp, eliminating the burning, the itchiness, and the flakes. And it also leaves your hair feeling super soft, which I really do enjoy. But you guys, this is my butter. Is not available yet, but I am looking for some volunteers who are willing to give me their honest feedback. You know, someone who is not friends or family. So if anyone is interested in trying my oil butter, please send me a DM on Instagram and I will send you out a free sample. Well, maybe not a free sample, but you know, I'm gonna get a little discount. But to save some time, I did do my hair off camera. Of course, I did my favorite Marge Simpson inspired look. I have plenty of tutorials on this look available on my channel, so you guys can go check it out if you want to see a more in-depth video. But what I'm doing here is just adding those bomb accessories to the ends of my lock. And do you see how easy they are to apply to your locks? All you have to do is just stick them to the ends and just pinch them to adjust them, and that way they do not fall out. Yeah, like pretty simple, as you can see. Just boom, bam, thank you ma'am, I'm done. So I don't feel the need to talk through this. You guys see what's going on? Okay, I'll be back. Now that I have finished adding my accessories from Goddess Beads by Porscha, and they look great if I have to say so myself. I am loving how they are really pulling this style together. But now I'm going to begin removing those perm rods. Of course, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how I achieve this curly bang, I do have a video available on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out. But you guys know I like to say some time because we all living on borrowed time. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this.
If I was your girlfriend, would you remember to tell me all the things you forgot when I was your man? Hey, hey, when I was your man. If I was your best friend, would you let me take care of you and do all the things that only a best friend can?
Right, now that I have finished removing all of those perm rods, I am going to take a couple of bobby pins just to bobby pin some of those curls in place. But this is pretty much it for this look. Like, the accessories are super cute. You are guaranteed to turn heads with this one. I also love the way my hair feels and looks. It looks healthy. My oil butter really does the trick when it comes to adding moisture back to my hair and it feeling super soft. So I am just loving that. So if anyone is interested in trying my oil butter, definitely send me a DM on Instagram. But this is pretty much it for this look. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.
You are to me. Would you love me if I was your friend?